Guys, out here plowing again. We're supposed to get a dusting. We got 5 inches. We gotta plow this driveway out quick. Hey guys, we're out here plowing in the dark down the trail. Back at her again. We're getting ready to go down the new Sugarbush trail and do a little clearing. So we're trying to get some of this stuff done throughout the week so I don't have as much to do on the weekend. And it's gonna be cold, so I'm gonna get some of that wood cut up, get that trail busted free. It'll be a good day. Snow's a little deep. We got about 5 inches of snow yesterday, so I'm gonna save this portion here, clearing this out, for when I have Candace around to help me so she can pull some of these branches out of the way while I cut. I don't want to cut all of it, just want to cut some of it. So we're gonna go back, just start on down the trail. Alright, getting pretty dark. I know it's hard to see in the camera, but I got most of the real big ones I wanted to get, so I think we're looking good. So Sophie just told us that she left a case of Diet Coke in the van, so Candace is going to check on it. We woke up, it's 1 degree out this morning. We're going to see how much of that Diet Coke is actually in the van or not in the van. This could be a aha moment. I don't know if you can see Candace. She's right there. Are we gonna get lucky? You see her? She's right in the... She did something. She's doing something. I don't know what she's doing. Now she's closing the door. She might be in total disgust. Oh wait. Nope, she got it. She lucked out. Alright, now it's time to go scold the kids. Or, no, I'm sorry. It's time to go educate the kids on the effects of 1 degree weather and Diet Coke in a van.
Comes the real test, if we can get the tractor down the maple trail. But first, we need to air out the tire. And the tractor's being cranky because it's so cold.
I just got the old 200 fired up here, and we're going to take the maiden voyage down the trail. I haven't went this way in about 20 years, so we just got it all broke free the last few, well, during the week here. Candace helped me out, and we were able to get the trail broke free as best we can. So we're going to give her the old maiden voyage and see what happens, and keep your fingers crossed we can make her through one time. And I think once we do that, we'll be good to go, and we can keep making a few trips here. So I also want to go down the other trail down this way. That's where we have our other path for our syrup buckets for our maple. What the hell am I trying to say?
That's the rainbow trail.
The rainbow trail?
Yeah.
Why?
That's what me and Sophie named it.
Okay, well, we're gonna go down the rainbow trail and tap maple trees. So usually I try to keep that clear so we can, that way I can go through with the pickup truck. This way, there's no way I can barely get down it with a quad, I think, but we're gonna try the old tractor today. If I get stuck, anybody with a winch or a big 4-wheel drive could come give me a hand or something, but we're gonna get through this, so let's go.
And here's the first leg of her. We gotta make it through this part just to get out of the yard. So he's trying to bust some of that snow loose. Looks like he's having a little trouble with her there. Probably icy. Oh, hi, little birdie. You're cute. Getting some seed. Oh, we got lots of little birdies. He said leaves. There's too many leaves in the way. Yeah, that's what he's pushing, alright. Here he comes, like gangbusters!
It's all frozen leaves from the fall when we blew our leaves off the yard. The pile, it was real big and it's all frozen. Alright, let's go.
He really got the easier job. Trying to run ahead of him to film. A little out of breath. So I'm standing at the first curve here, kinda. Oh, he takes this curve. Oh, I forgot he was pushing some wood out of the way. Get her! Get her gone! Yeah. Oh, I guess that's her first step. There's a trailer on it though. Alright, on down the trail. Gotta get my running shoes back on. So he beat me out. I couldn't keep up with him. I guess the canvas against the tractor doesn't win. But he made it all the way through with the tractor. He's coming around again, so I'm going to be able to get him coming out. He must want to blaze that trail more than one time before he takes the trailer down there. As you can see, I've stripped down because I'm sweating half to death. Long johns are totally not necessary when you're trying to outrun a tractor. I just happened to be standing in front of one of our really good producing maple trees in our yard, and this is right at the head of the new trail. So this is coming up to the end of the trail, and there's some twists and turns here. So we gotta go around that patch of trees and then around the blueberry patch. It looks like the tractor's making it just fine. Eric's going down to give the Rainbow Trail a good scoop. Just drive through it, keep it primed for season. Uh-oh. Slipping. Awesome. Now we have to go push him out. Oh, good.
My hands are freezing, so I got them in my pockets. Just got done with a maiden voyage down the trail, and everything went really good. We got through there real easy. Just busting it up. I went through there twice. I didn't put the trailer on. I'm pretty confident I can get down there with the trailer, no problem. I'm gonna put my IBC tote on the trailer, and then I'll take that down probably when we go to tap. Might even put the trailer on. We go to tap trees and taps and buckets and everything, and we'll go that way with the trailer. We got lots of stuff happening here at Gagne Farms. We got lots of things coming up, so you guys stick around. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Comment below, tell me what you guys think. And thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next time.